Southeastern viewers, you're not going to see much of anything. The 8-day shows the heat and humidity, so if there's a pool still open, you're going to be wanting to jump in it by the end of the weekend.
Sounds like a plan. All right, Tom, thank you. Sprint is bringing back its Kickstart promo, offering unlimited service for $25 a month, and Olive Garden sold out of its pasta passes in seconds. Jane King has these stories and so much more. It's today's Business Report.
Sprint is going after AT&T, Verizon, and T-Mobile users again, hoping to lure switchers with a much cheaper monthly rate for unlimited talk, text, and data. As with the prior deal, users who switch to Sprint from another network and bring their own phone or buy a new one at full price will be able to get Sprint's unlimited service for $25 per line per month. $25 makes it the cheapest unlimited plan available. Old Navy can't save Gap. Gap stores posted same-store sales that fell 5% last quarter. That was more than double the decline projected by analysts. Execs say their priority has been to fix problems with late deliveries that caused inventory to swell, and then they had to resort to discounts. Well, Disney's Avatar Land makes Time Magazine's list of the greatest places to visit this year. The reason is that it, like the other locations on the list, push architecture and design to the limit. The park says it is the highest rated attraction at Walt Disney World per guest surveys. And it didn't take long for Olive Garden to sell out of its pasta passes this year. The company was only offering 1,000 of the annual pasta passes that gave customers 52 weeks of unlimited servings of pasta, super salad, as well as breadsticks. It offered 23,000 of the 8-week passes, and both of those sold out in seconds. From the NASDAQ market site in Times Square, I'm Jane King with your business update.
Jane King, thanks so much. Let's take a look and see how stocks are performing. Both are very strong. Dow Jones Industrial up a whopping 157 points for all-time high at 25,814. NASDAQ Composite also up 66 points right now to sit at 79.44. Well, the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 hit store shelves today, and Samsung has been gearing up for the launch of its newest smartphone, the Galaxy Note 9, available today in stores nationwide. The Note 9 features a bigger 6.4-inch screen and all-day battery life and Bluetooth stylus to control the phone remotely. The phone is available in new colors of ocean blue and lavender purple. The Galaxy Note 9 comes in 2 different configurations. The 128GB model sells for about $1,000, and the 512GB model will run you more than $1,200. Drinking any amount of alcohol can be hazardous to your health. That warning comes from a global team of researchers led by the University of Washington. They estimate nearly 3 million deaths each year are related to alcohol usage, and they found no evidence light drinking improves health. Alcohol is now the 7th leading risk factor for early death and disability, and the leading cause of death for those between the ages of 15 and 49. You know, doctors may one day screen for Alzheimer's disease with an eye test. Earlier studies have shown thinning in the retina among patients who have been diagnosed and died from Alzheimer's. So researchers at the University of Washington School of Medicine examined the eyes of 30 healthy volunteers. They found patients who had high levels of brain plaques related to Alzheimer's disease also showed thinning of the retinas. You know, it's still warm outside, but flu season is on the horizon. The Centers for Disease Control is recommending folks get their vaccines by the end of October, and there will be more choices this year. The nasal spray flu vaccine is once again available for certain individuals after a 2-year hiatus. Also, those with egg allergies can now safely get the vaccine. According to the CDC, this year's vaccines have been updated to better match current flu strains. Doctors recommend the flu vaccine for all over the age of 6 months. Chris?
Look at this, the most major airport in Chicago getting some help with the landscape.